Marla's World. If you're new here, welcome to Marla's World, and don't forget to subscribe to be a part of my world. Okay guys, in this video I have my brother
Jafar.
and I have my cousin. You know the name?
No.
Guys, you're nervous because you know the typical game truth or drink. Instead of doing truth or drink, we're gonna do truth or eat baby food. So if we don't want to answer the question, then we have to eat baby food. So for baby food, we have prune apple, we have carrot, mango, pineapple, we have sweet potato and turkey.
Something
At
nice.
Thanksgiving dinner?
Yes. And then we have peas, carrot, and spinach.
That sounds even.
Yeah. Yeah. We have gurkha chicken and rice. Oh!
The fact that they made chicken into like
I know, like a puree. Yeah.
Nasty. Oh.
Oh, God have mercy
This
on
is the
me.
first time I'll be telling the truth, people.
Yes, me. I'm talking truth too. And the one that works mac and cheese with vegetables. No, me can't manage. And then what's worse is we have ham with gravy.
She trying to send somebody to the hospital.
Woo! How this is gonna go is we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors, and the winner decides who goes first and second, and then third, I guess. So let's start with rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Who about to go first?
No, we do rock, paper, scissors, shoot to figure it out.
Alright,
Yes.
just a minute. How I do it? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. That's
Yeah.
it. Alright?
Yeah.
Ain't no rock, paper, scissors, then shoot. Okay?
That's go for you. 3 times. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay.
3 times. Don't be a cheater.
Correct. Alright, come on. 3, 2, 1. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
So I thought we were gonna. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh man. Okay. So how does it go now? You gonna
We have all the questions in here,
so choose a question.
and then we have all the the numbers here because
I
we
see
number
what-
these.
Alright, so come choose.
Oh, you wanna go first?
You.
Me?
Yes. Now you know she not like taste things in her people.
Me just answer the question.
She lying. I will know if
Wait,
she
so she
lying.
you pick from the. Oh.
No, she gonna choose a question
Oh,
first.
Lord have mercy, my heart
And
that hurt
then
me.
she select which meal she's gonna have today. And baby. Hello, you have to read it out for me ear. Let me read it because she can't tell a lie. Have you ever sent a flirty text to the wrong person?
No.
That's a
You
lie.
never said anyone?
Yes.
No, that's true. That's true.
She's never sent a flirt. Hello, people out there in the world. If she ever send you a text and you shouldn't get it, make me know. Yeah.
I'm gonna post them come back.
Yes. So we read it out loud, make me hear.
Wait.
Have you ever checked
Oh, we can't reading question.
someone out while committed? Me,
You never committed, no?
Thank you. You ever cheat on your girl, eh?
No, that's not cheating. You should.
It's
Of
not-
course.
it's-
That's not
no,
like flirting.
No, that's not.
Yes, it is cheating. You have your girlfriend
it's-
and you're silently look somebody else. That's cheating, right,
No,
people?
No, it's not.
Not really.
It's like yes or no, no sir.
No.
They never check somebody else.
I have, but that's something else. You know what I mean?
Nicole, you pick your question.
Yeah.
Well, I only get some easy full question like what them get. Like what's my name? What's the meanest thing you've ever said to someone? What's the meanest thing?
You said no meeting.
Okay, guys, let me tell you something. Me tell her something mean one time. And you know, so the girl that chat to me for over a year. Over a year, people. Oh my. Am I lying? I don't have to eat no girl. Over a year, no people. Like literally, money.
What's the meanest thing? You never answered the question. You
Okay, guys.
have to
She had done this makeup. She was going to a wedding, and I said to her, cause you know we joke now and again, and I was like, what did I say exactly? I have it in the text, so we can't go for the text and go look it. I said to her, something about the makeup, how it was just too overpowering for her face. That's what I said. And the girl don't talk to me.
Guys, that is not what she said. You're lying.
What I said.
That's the most nicest way she put it.
Jesus. So how me did say it then? Like how you remember?
She said something like me look like drag queen or something. So you have to eat. You have to eat. No. You have to eat. You're not answering the question. Doesn't make it so nice, right? Yes.
So I can eat people on the time to me.
I mean, she did answer the question.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, but she told what.
Alright, just take a smaller spoon.
Jesus, please.
She not
See them wicked to me?
Oh,
So I'm supposed to say the exact word that I
Yes.
used?
The meanest thing, man.
Yes.
The meanest thing is not that nicest thing you just say.
That's not nice. What I said.
Oh, your makeup is overpowering.
It's a nice.
Versus you look like drag queen.
Now we can go back to the message with people.
Yeah, we struggled for months to try to
Eat it up.
Hold on, eat it up.
I guess payback, people. Payback. What do they say about payback?
Years after I come back, yeah.
Guys, she got number 7 and number 7. Number 7 on the arm.
Mama answer the question that we can pass one. Take this notice. Yo, people, this is arm with gravy. No, it's
What
not.
is this?
I can't eat it. No, what else we can't do if we not eat it?
It smell like bully beef.
Yeah, it smells like candy.
Just think of bully beef.
No, I can't
Just
do it,
think
people.
of
If I not do it, what can happen? I can't. I can't do it.
I can't breathe.
Alright, wait, you did answer the question.
Yeah,
Alright,
You know
alright,
what?
get a pause.
She did give us an answer, but if you ain't get no answer, you ain't say nothing, you gotta eat it.
Yeah, I can't.
Alright, you get a little pause. It's fine. You get a little pause.
No, I can't.
Alright.
Wait, so you put back the number in
No.
No, it's over here.
Alright, tell me now. God, I've seen what you've done for others.
there? You coming in with that speech?
Oh my gosh! Who do I detest?
What? What you say?
Who do I detest the
She have to
most?
answer, and it has to be truthful. I mean, know the answer, people.
No, you don't.
So maybe tell her.
What answer?
Know what you say? Talk me. We know. She gonna eat, people.
No,
She can't say.
me not eat. Me not keep the see video. God, guys. It's my monster-in-law.
Well,
Yes. Ma answer the question.
So
Your
she-
turn to her.
Shuffle up the basket because we're gonna get some. Shuffle up a good one. See if you can smell a small one. Probably.
Yes, read it out.
Where's my crush right now?
What you see?
Hey, crush, if you're watching, hello.
Not celebrity crush, you know. Crush in a real life crush.
Hey, she gonna find out.
I don't have one. I
No, man.
No, you're offering it.
I really don't. No.
You know the little girl where you check for? And she
Yeah,
don't
but I
know.
don't think that that's my crush. Like,
So you check out them when you're in a relationship, but you don't check them out otherwise.
I do, but like not.
So who you been checking out lately?
You mind your business.
You know what I mean?
Guys, you must answer me how to eat.
Let's choose one of the choose a number. Me look like again. I release a name.
She probably never see the video and it's a send her.
Don't call her name if you make sure.
I can't say that.
Yeah. So there is one.
There is it. Girlfriend, if it's
I can't say that,
in
bro.
girlfriend, him have a crush.
Say that.
Him have a girlfriend.
Yeah, go to Japan.
Oh my gosh, God, please.
Six.
Which one is
Number 6.
Which one is
This 6 is the sweet potato turkey.
Oh.
Taste it out before I taste it out.
What make it cool and put it in our freezer, make it cool.
Cool, good. Oh.
Eat hot.
So you read a cool turkey?
Yeah, cold. Yeah. It's hot. It's nothing even going out. Oh my gosh.
Just taste it baby food.
I'm glad me didn't answer my question.
Yeah.
I never have to eat that or something.
No.
I just said mother here.
I'm gonna go for the throat man for a minute. Look at his feet.
It smells so bad. Bro, it's like it's like when you walk, no, it's like this shit just licked my face. Like, you know what? I ain't know. So I'm up the.
Let me come here.
You're trying to put it in my asshole.
No, listen, me not say me can't stomach none of this here. When my baby gets here, I'll be making the food and me cook. Alright?
So I'm gonna give them a
Me
feel.
not yet upstairs and grind it. I mean, it's okay bone yet.
Are you okay?
No, me can't. Come.
Are you okay? You can't lock your door, probably not here.
You lucky door.
Are you alright?
How did that taste? If you're a baby, what do you mean?
I beat them out of them relentlessly.
Oh my goodness.
They know all baby eat them so yeah, honestly. Them baby them don't love them.
So it's
This
my
is
turn?
not-
Yes.
Yo,
Let
that's
me get
the
a nice
worst
one.
thing I've ever tasted in my life.
Have you ever had a crush on a friend's boyfriend or nope.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Friend, if you're not watching this, comment down below.
Dear me, yeah.
No, comment down below so everybody else can see it.
So yes, I'm gonna come back and eat it.
Yes.
I will truly. Oh, that was a good one. I think I'm getting all scotch free, guys.
It's like you can still feel the aftertaste some more. It's like
Feel nervous. Have you ever tasted your booger?
But no, you used to eat favorite. Probably still do.
No, I don't.
I don't believe it.
That's
She's
not-
But guys, no.
I know. She eat her boogie. You know what I'm saying? Eat her boogie.
But guys, you know when you're balling what's run and it goes
Yeah, eat it. No, but that's how come?
No, I answer the question to say yes.
oh,
I mean, I'm
you
the example.
You nasty.
Alright, your turn to eat, Jafar.
Hey yo, I'm sorry, I ain't not eat no more.
So we're gonna go through all of them
I'm not
questions?
eat no more.
No, we can't do 7 each. How much is already?
No.
No, 7 each.
No.
How much is already?
2, I think.
Ah.
Let's see. You get a high
I
one?
want to answer it, but I want to expose
Let me see.
myself.
Yes, but I forgot eat. Goody, I forgot eat. What's the
people?
What's the
Dirty.
ew? What's the dirtiest thing you've ever done in public?
Probably do them.
In
I
public?
mean, not up here,
Stop it. Get some help.
but
How am I gonna do? But I forgot eat. Papa, come to my number.
we might have to just eat. If it ain't good, we eating, bro. If it ain't like, why am I?
You're the only one eating, I see.
Where the good questions at, yo? Yeah, we eating, bro.
Which number you eating?
Number 1. Number 1. Oh wait.
I think that was a bad one. One way you never won.
No, man, I see it. That one is the peas, carrot, and spinach.
That shouldn't be bad. I need the
Yeah,
green one, you know.
You know what?
Him just trying to tell confess, him a confess people.
No, cause that the nasty. You know what I mean?
How could I walk,
It was,
you know?
it was
What?
You know
Oh,
what
wait,
I mean?
no,
You know what I mean? I can't really, but
Eat, Papa, eat.
Just eat a little bit this time then.
no,
Yeah, but halfway.
no. I want to say it, but I want to, but
Look like you want the spicy pepper. Look like you know what? You know what?
No.
That's what you're from, rocks.
No, it's not even like that.
I'm
It's
thinking
just,
about seeing to now.
See it what?
Like-
Just eat it with something. See it here. Taste it.
No, I could not work with people if you don't know. Just
No, no,
DM
comment
me.
down below.
DM me.
Not she. She too love. DM
Trust
me.
me, your fan base don't know. I mean, yeah.
yo.
Let's leave it to the imagination.
It's like, well, what me to find out just feel power. And I did a couple of stuff. I'm not eating that. I'm not eating that. It was at a park. It was late. It was me and this girl. Hey, yo, when you're, I'm sorry. I'm not eating that. The smell alone is already enough to make me cry. I'm sorry. I'm not
The
eating that.
baby food make him talk.
I'm sorry. I'm not eating that. I'm not eating that. It's like it smelled worse than the first one. It smelled worse than the
Oh
first
my
one.
goodness, dog. I'm in tears.
It smells worse. No.
No, sir.
No.
The sister is silent.
No.
Then we can post that.
Oh my goodness.
You don't have to.
So, is me next?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now let me get a good one.
Oh, I didn't touch it. I just opened it, so it's still good. We just put this on top.
At what age did you have your first kiss and whom? What a piece of
Interesting.
No, sir. At what age? How old was I?
Watch her is a 20 something. Watch her down.
At what age?
I don't even remember.
Yeah, I don't. It was so long ago, people.
Yes, we know you're old, but
At what age? First kiss.
wait, close the door, please. Close the camera, please. Always still at your.
I really don't remember. I could say 16.
Well, I'm sorry.
And
I'm
yeah.
sorry to say, ma'am.
So you have yours already at 15.
I'm sorry to say, ma'am. If you don't know the answer, you might have to resort to eating.
I think I was 16. And I must say who it was. Jeez, oh dear. I didn't do it again. Look at me, I eat people. Let me choose, I know.
So there's up there. Jeez. And you're not get on this time.
Or with some fruits. Number 3.
Ah.
Yes!
That's a 5. Only that's 5.
Oh, we're treated.
We're 3 then.
See, 3 here. Mac and cheese!
Mac and cheese can't taste too bad.
Yuri.
Can't taste too bad.
Yeah, try to remember. Me don't remember any name in the people.
You know, a long girl by in that business, them are the good man.
Yes.
Come on, man.
It have to be a spoonful. Me get half it, so me not can eat just half.
Yeah, but you have to look at it more fun now. Nicole, dip is something. Nicole, you put on
Me not scoop, me just a deep people. What touch you spoon not eat that. So me put more on it, eat it. And me chop a you me a eat pan it, I think me go on the ground. So this enough, right?
Yes.
If I throw up people, sorry
I
for the
almost
growth.
did. That's why I had to run out like that. Mac and cheese, it tastes good, man.
Think about my mac and cheese.
Just throw it down. And
Your
just
mac and
throw it.
cheese firm. It's a liquid.
Guys, me and my dad when they can't hear me. When they can't hear.
That look like mac and cheese coming out of her egg.
Wow.
I'm not even asking.
Man up, man up,
Yeah, she
man
said-
up.
she said-
Man up, man up, man
Yeah,
up. Do
yeah.
it like I did.
You're right.
Just
Me not even asking it.
Just Nick, go. Yeah.
Sometime today.
Just do it.
I can, yes you
Just
can.
do it, Nike.
It's Marla's mac and
Just
cheese.
do it. You gotta be quick, isn't it?
No, I'm not gonna throw up for real. If I
Please,
do.
the drop.
Can't do it this time.
Why not?
Now play no more. It is torture. I don't know what to sign up for.
Yeah, alright, Nicole.
It's mac and cheese and it tastes all sweet. Why?
Why?
Guys, I'm gonna make him manage this challenge.
Like, I'm not getting about her.
I mean, I said.
And that you see it. She's not eating nothing.
Probably don't know which one.
Who is my secret crush?
Mm-hmm. She has two women know about people.
No, that's not my crush.
Oh. You got who been on Christian Mingle with?
And it's not. I don't see it.
You got
Or sugardaddy.com.
Guys, don't listen to lies.
It's true. I'm talking to things, people.
Its name is Eugene.
Eugene, dear Mick.
some jumps.
It's not it. I'm gonna tell you that.
He's like 30 something.
Sugardaddy.com.
Is he over 35?
Yes.
No.
What the same?
Eugene, holla.
No. He's not gonna watch this. No, I said it.
No, shall I?
Be funny if you find it. Be like,
I
let
hope-
me go watch a video.
Don't I know. Let me go check her
You know
out.
what I mean? Let me see what she be doing on her YouTube channel.
Alright, so you next.
We have one more run after this.
And then you're done. Coming up, we can't.
What is the biggest lie you've ever told?
Should I me get that one?
You can't even me a tell.
The biggest lie. I don't even know. I swear we just
You're not
can't.
a lie, no.
It's like we can't put up. Oh yeah. It's not the. I can't think of the biggest, but I can think of one of the biggest in my head right now. I remember. This is a.
That's too much lie.
don't see it.
Alright, so something else, but basically.
I guess it's me again, guys. Let me get that
Why
one.
you even brought up his name? I thought that.
Yes, yes, yes. I'm here for this.
But you don't know me. You're going like you know me.
What is?
What is something no one else knows about you? You know? What you know about me?
If me know, you can't say it.
You don't know.
Go on your journal or something.
What is something
Because if I
no
can't
one
answer.
else knows about you? That means Marlon don't know.
Exactly. And that means like all your friends didn't know. I don't want to listen here, but all of them don't know.
You can't think of anything. Let me choose a number. I really can't think of anything. Everybody know everything about me basically. I'm like an open book, guys.
Guys, I lie.
That's so wait, like when you know something what?
If me know it, they can't say it. You have to say something I don't know.
You know everything?
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, you're not.
I think of something we don't know.
Exactly.
Ah.
Me, I know, DeAndre, I know, Marlon, I know.
Oh my goodness.
Kids
What can
don't know.
I think of?
Something you do in high school and nobody don't know anything.
So nobody know that about you.
Yeah, you must can't think of something.
That nobody else at all knows. As in, yeah, but they were there, so they know. I don't think this is one.
So say, at least you can say something.
At least you wouldn't know. Jafar wouldn't know.
Alright, go
Or
ahead.
should it be something that, you know,
Go ahead.
my teeth, one book or one like what?
She lame. A lot of people do that still.
Oh really? As in, but put you through the window, drop it down your back, and then move in.
You know, plant escape route for that book and everything. Knocked out the whole floor.
Why not just put their bag? Why not just put their bag?
I'm sorry guys, this is confession.
Oh, Bishop's seat.
I know! Hello, I'm forgiven. Oh my goodness.
You might like juice one man.
Yeah.
You finish all of them today.
This is the last round.
Good.
No, don't give one.
I say I like it.
Has she not eaten nothing yet? Have you ever watched a video you knew you shouldn't watch?
Yes.
What kind of video? That is just a quick yes. What kind of video it was?
You never asked. If you never asked for details.
This is too easy.
Yeah.
Something.
You never asked for details.
Yo!
You gotta say the video. You
Yeah,
can't
what
just
kind
say
of
yes,
video? What kind of video was? Blue movie?
You don't see look at me and
I never know a blue movie, babe. Me did think I'm on blue screen. I thought it was. Didn't you think that blue movie was like a blue screen?
Me never think about it.
So a blue movie you watch?
Me answer the question already. One more you want.
If
You
a blue
can't even answer the question.
No, you gotta say what it was.
Yeah, it just late. You see, oh, she just gets out. Yeah. I had to, yeah.
And I went.
No, because the question was like,
No, what-
something.
That's just
Alright,
like a
so
yes
what
or
video
no.
that you watched?
Yeah.
I'll put it here.
No.
No.
You see, oh, she's scared. That's a me. Shit.
Speak up. You got 5
What you watch?
7 seconds.
I know you should
7,
watch.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah,
I'd say number.
No. Answer the question already.
You gotta say what it is, Marla. We're not gonna
You
move.
see?
We're not gonna move from here. You can't be unfair. We all said it.
I watched the bad movie that
What bad movie?
Something woman never watch.
Marla.
Guys, we don't think to answer the question.
No,
she
not
did
at all.
not.
Not at all.
What movie it was?
It's
What's something you watch we never watch?
It's what?
I know me get the question. Are you?
Who gets one? Answer the question.
Right?
Answer the question.
She's so boring, right, people?
Why you mad though? Not because y'all get bad questions.
Nah, you took too long to
I
answer.
know. And
What have you seen that you wish you could unsee?
Oh, that one that you want.
You ever see Marlon naked?
It was a video.
I guess you never see that one.
Why is that funny?
Because that's something you don't want to say. So that couldn't be one answer. You know, see mommy naked and you shouldn't see her.
Please stop.
Yeah, what's up with you all this insisting?
Please stop. I don't know. Video. I think it was just.
Oh, we can't get one.
What?
The weird things about the Johnsons. You see that one there?
No.
Oh, you can't see that one.
Weird things about the Johnson. What is that about?
Movie. You can't.
The blue one?
No.
I wish I could unsee, but I wish I could unsee.
Sometime today.
It was this, it was a video of a dude getting his, thing cut off. He had, I think he had raped, something like that.
You don't know
Kids,
about that.
and he did, but it's like,
It was so gruesome.
yeah, and I felt the pain. They was just there, I'm just like, like,
And that wraps it up.
It's funny how she distracted us when she knew it was her turn to go. Pay attention, guys. Cheater, Nicole.
Now we're doing another round.
You want to do another one?
yeah, you take 2 questions for
No.
It's the guy, she not like participating, no, she don't play fair. She does not play fair.
Yeah, why
No,
not? It's your
because-
video. You gotta show up for your video.
Yeah.
She doesn't play fair.
Otherwise, me forget more questions now.
Yeah.
See, everybody's saying that.
Yeah,
she
like,
doesn't play fair, people.
come on,
That's
you
like,
see
what
what-
we
For me answer me because I pick the good question them. If you didn't pick the good one,
She probably all know which one.
Exactly, because she
No.
phone them one
Honestly.
funny way.
No, me don't know. Have you ever stolen anything from the store? No, me don't.
I know, like I'm like a
I know my fault. That no one me expose myself.
You think that is yo! Guy, you're not come off me, guy, you're not come off me.
No, I have the 2 shoes, so I want you expose.
Goody to me.
But guys, me not even up in the store. But me want me to see if I like, you know, when we have a look at milk in the refrigerator. Everybody
Do that regularly. People denying
You can't even answer that. You said you stole milk
know.
yesterday. You told us that answer. Pick something else. She did say that when we was on the
Me not stolen up in the store.
You already told us that answer. Milk. We was on the call last night. You had said it, so we already know the answer for that. You can't.
Oh, this is juicy.
Oh my gosh. Have you ever stole or dated one of your friend's boyfriends? No, but my friend sees mine. Well, she not really. Not really. Remember the girl?
No.
I don't want to say it because she probably watching videos.
That girl, your teeth, man, up. Yo.
But still, answer my question. Now your turn. I hope you get a bad one for me. I'm go 2 times.
Hey,
The one y'all look fat on too. Yo, I don't like this and I feel like I'm just getting all. Have you ever broke up with someone to avoid buying?
Yes.
No.
Okay.
In just like you.
Something like that.
You see? Alright, Nicole.
We come from Jamaica and people really big for Jamaica. As I continue.
Whoop, you get a bad one.
Do you pee in the shower or pool? Both. Hello. That's why you have chlorine in the pool. So hello, you want to use the bath?
You peeing in the pool with everybody?
You can't see. So you're not going to feel warm sometimes. Still.
Nasty. Why you wouldn't do that?
So me in a pool where a body of water is. I mean, more use the bathroom.
You come out and
and
go
if
pee.
you get up, you go and if you come back in. Why? It's a reason why chlorine in there. People, a good thing said the pool no light up.
Alright,
no.
pick the next question.
Why wasn't that? Me expose myself. What?
Everybody pee in in a pool. Not pool, in a shower. I never pick it.
No, one look too fat. Do you search your Do you search your Do you search your partner? Of course, let me see what I'm up to my mind.
What you search for?
Maybe you want to search for anything?
Like what?
Anything?
Like you investigate, like you go in there for something specific
No,
or
I just search. Like God will just tell me look. I'm a look.
I see what?
Anything.
What you see when you look?
I don't back up nothing yet.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alright, we're done. You want the next one? Since everybody else do two, you finish off with one other one. Watch him.
She just want to expose and she not expose nothing. Have you ever thought about cheating on your partner?
You say yes. Have you ever done it though?
That wasn't a question.
That's right. That's right.
So what you think gonna be?
Yes, she loves sneaky things.
No, it's the
shit.
question.
One time we don't want to do you see all them teeth, guys?
Don't play
Them
fear.
teeth.
Don't play fear.
Alright guys, so yeah, I'm going to end the video. I don't know why I'm so excited to answer the question name. Answer all of them if you want.
Let me see it. Bonus question, people. When was the last time you went the bed?
All of you answer it. All of you answer
No!
it. We have to go too far. All of you answer the one, alright? And wrap it up, right? Alright, go first.
So why have people go first and not me picking
Because she heard
questions?
something.
Guys, when? A long time I don't give you that, you know. Like when me I look up in about me stop late, me not go lie. Me stop when me what? 6 or 7? Probably.
Me not tell no lie, people. Last week me did a dream and me swear me the party time.
It'd be like that.
No, like for listen. Don't worry, she soon get there.
You just slammed to see a pee at the bed last.
Yeah, I did. You know, went to bed big since you're big. No. Well, I did. I never know it was possible, but I was dreaming that I was like sitting on the
I thought she
toilet.
not dream as good as you. That's probably.
What? So where the promise
Is it a good dream to the elephant tail? One dream to the elephant tail.
My dream said me dip on the toilet and I feel good enough, people. I never say weird.
They don't feel right. Clothes starting to get wet
Yeah,
and you're
I
like,
had to run.
Nasty. What are your
I
answers?
don't remember.
See, I'm here alone confess you.
Can't even tell you the last time.
Don't worry, they're getting up in age, so it will happen to them.
Alright guys, so yeah, let's end the video. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you want to see a part 2 of this video. And if you do, guys, we're not going to do baby food anymore, so comment suggestions down below of what we should do if you want to see a part 2. And also, we're not going to do alcohol, so that's out of it. That's why we do baby food. So yeah, keep that in mind. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. You gotta say something?
Bye! Don't watch this video, please, and don't share it.
This day the end. This day the end.
Oh, shoot.
What you have to say?
Have a good day, y'all. Be safe.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I know, disclaimer, I was lying through the entire thing.
I lie, she can't tell. She teach the book for you. She teach the book. And people not going on a pool with her because she in there pee-pee.
If you feel something wrong, guess who?
Yo, you're nasty.
That's what the chlorine is there for, to kill whatever.
No, it's not. I like my car pool, my car swimless, you know. And every Wednesday night, this man in a grown man. And he must spit it out, and the man do like a regular spit, where just like, you know.
You know that's gross.
No, he goes, ah, and he spit it all the way over to the other side.
No, that's gross.
And me just have to tell the instructor them say like, I'll be so mad when I leave.
But the pool is clean, guys, because they kill it with chlorine, okay? So that's like bleach. It kills anything.
So yeah, this is a long video, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we out.
Bye.
Bye.